Hello people of the internet, the clip of me saying that is somehow missing, so here I am on a voiceover.
Anyways, today I'm going to be filming my June Ipsy unbagging. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that video. I'm going to have to zoom my camera out because it's still zoomed in because I just filmed this makeup look. So if you do want to see this makeup look, it'll probably be posted after this Ipsy video, so stay tuned for that if you want to see it. I don't know, I feel like it's not good because it's really bright. I probably should have done like a nude lip, but I didn't. Yeah, let me zoom this camera out and I'll tell you more about Ipsy. What Ipsy is it is a monthly subscription service. You can either just do the regular Ipsy, which is $10 a month, and it is primarily sample sizes of products. Sometimes you do actually get full products in there. And then there's also the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I currently do not have, but I am on the wait list for. So there's also that one, which is $25 a month, I believe it is. And it is 5 full-size products. I don't know if I said, but the smaller Ipsy bag is 5 smaller sample size products once a month, every month. So yeah, Ipsy is also customizable to your profile, so you put in what kind of makeup you like, what skincare stuff you like, what like your hair color is, your skin tone, what kind of skin you have, like, you know, dry or oily or combo. So yeah, it's really customizable to you. It's like a bunch of questions where you can just do everything. So yeah, I'm like really frustrated from filming that makeup video, so I'm sorry if I seem a little all over the place in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So this is what my Ipsy bag looks like for the month of June. It's red on the back, and it is orange, red, and like pink and white up in those corners. And then it has this little red zipper on it. So yeah, that is what it looks like this month. And then the first two things that I got actually didn't come in the actual bag itself. It came in the package. I got 2 face masks from the brand Pharmacy. So I got a hydrating coconut gel sheet mask. Looks like that. And then I got a brightening coconut gel sheet mask, which looks like this. So I'm really excited to try those out, especially the hydrating one, because for some reason my skin is super dry right now, and we're in summer, and normally my skin gets oily in summer, but this summer it's just not. And I used a foundation that I thought would work for me today because I thought my skin, you know, was like pretty hydrated right now. It turns out, no, it's not. It's super dry and has a lot of dry patches, so I'm so sorry my foundation looks whack. But anyways, the next item I got in my Ipsy bag is a nice little blending brush, and I wonder, it doesn't say brand on this, so I kind of wonder if it is Ipsy brand, because it does go with the bag really well. There's a bunch of little colorful squares and lines on there, so I'm kind of thinking maybe Ipsy made this brush, but it's just a cute little blending brush. And honestly, I always say this, you can never have too many brushes, because you know, it's just like if you want to do random colors, if you don't use the same eyeshadows every day, then you know it's nice to have a good selection of brushes. Then the next thing in my Ipsy is really empty. Like there's only like, so the product in here goes like, there's like a little bit in the side, and then this whole part is empty, and then it kind of goes back up. But this is the Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser, 1 drop for glow skin. So the skincare line containing 12 kinds of vitamins to give the skin radiance. Oh, this is by Tony Moly. So that is, oh, I still have the brush in my hand. So that is what this looks like, and it is literally perfect for traveling. And I got a fortune cookie the other day that told me to keep traveling, which is funny because like I really want to travel right now. So I don't know, I just want to pack up and go somewhere sometimes. Not literally for any reason, like I love my life and stuff, but like sometimes I just want to see new places every once in a while. But anyways, on to the next item. It's so weird filming an Ipsy without my mom. I just feel so awkward, like I'm rambling, I'm just talking so much. My house is so quiet, I'm home alone right now. Sorry for my rambling. Next thing I got is a Glow for a Cause Lip Love Flirt. I believe this is a chapstick, and the website is www.glowforacause.com. So I would assume that this would be a chapstick where a percentage of the proceeds, is that the right word? A percentage of the earnings would go to a charity. I don't know, but just based off the name, that's what I'm going to assume. And I love chapsticks. You can never have enough of them because, you know, you're always misplacing them if you're like me. And then the last thing I have in my Ipsy is the Real Her Sorry Not Sorry Moisturizing Lipstick. And it's a little black and white tube, and it says Sorry Not Sorry. It says Real Her on it, and this is in the color Rose Pink. And it is just a nice mauve nude lipstick, or mauve rose. Mauve rosy nude. I'm bad at explaining colors, so yeah. But that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm sorry this video went so fast and I was kind of rambling in it, but I'm like stressed at myself for making this makeup turn out not that great. So yeah, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified. As well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!